we've decided as a group that we're going to create a cooking website. And what will our website help us do? Will it help us create, connect, or share? Robert?
Share.
Share. What will it help us share? Emily?
Recipes.
We're going to share recipes. What else are we going to share on our website? Tavin has his hand up. Go ahead, Tavin.
Pictures.
We can share pictures. Yep. Pictures of what we cook. And what else? What's one more thing we can share on our website?
Facebook.
Well, we're not going to share Facebook on our website. Not on our website.
On Food Network.
On Food Network, can you watch there? Cooking what?
Cooking shows.
Cooking shows. Good job, Emily.
Thank you.
Way to earn a participation dollar. So we'll have recipes, we'll have pictures, and we'll have cooking shows available on our website. So the next step in planning a website is deciding what we want the name of our website to be. And we're going to have to collaborate here because we can only have one name. So, does anyone have an idea for the name of our website?
Fortnite.
Fortnite? Well, so would someone coming to our website called Fortnite know that our website is about cooking? If I went to a website called Fortnite, I would think it's about Fortnite.
The game itself.
Right. Good job, Emily. So we want people to know that our website is about cooking, or that they can come here to find information on how to cook, recipes, pictures, cooking shows. Students involved in this, and not just one student.
Around the whole world?
Well, it would be online, so people around the world could see it.
Yeah.
So,
online.
But we have to name our website. What can the title for our website be? You guys can think about it. You don't have to come up with an answer right now. Take a second to think. Emily, do you have an idea?
Yeah.
Cooking with special needs kids.
Oh, wow, Emily. Okay. Cooking with what? What are you guys, though?
Special needs.
You're what?
Children.
Well, you're not children. You're young adults.
Young.
You're in high school. You're teenagers. Every single person in here is older than 14. So cooking with what?
Young adults. High schoolers.
High schoolers, young adults.
Teenagers.
Teenagers. So what do we think?
With friends.
Cooking with friends.
Wow.
That's a great one. Who likes cooking with friends?
I like that one.
Okay, great. So we'll do that. Cooking with friends.
So far,